Alright guys, this is my last box tonight. This one is not bath products. This one is crystals. I used to have a monthly subscription, and they would send me some little minerals and crystals, just an assortment of things every month, and it was like 40 something dollars, I think it was. Or you know what, I think it was more than that. Anyway, I like crystals. Well, I don't like them. I love crystals and gemstones and minerals, and just I like all of that. And I recently canceled that subscription just because I wanted to try some different things. So I bought some stuff from this company, and this is KnK Minerals, and this is an Etsy shop, and I will link it down below. But I snagged a few things. They were having a holiday sale. They're actually still having a holiday sale, but I got on there and grabbed a few items. Let's take a peek here. Some of these I got for me, and some of them I got as a gift for someone else. So let's open the little ones first, because one of the things that I purchased was it's a gift set. It's a crystal gift set, and I wanted to take a peek at those. Let's see. Okay. I'm not sure which one is the other part of the gift set. I guess we'll see as we go along. Let me sit my box down. Let's open the first one. Oh yeah, this one is not part of the gift set right here, you all. This one I saw and I had to have it just because it's so pretty, and I do love this stone. This is a calcite cube, and this one is an optical calcite. Look how pretty that is. It's like glass. It's so pretty. I love it. It's beautiful. I had to have it. I saw it on there and I was like, oh. I have a small piece of this, a little piece, but yep, I like this one. I saw it and I really liked it. Okay. Here we go. I do like the way they package this. They package very well. They do a really good job. Oh, this one is not part of the gift set either. This is a rutilated quartz sphere. I love rutilated quartz. This one has tourmaline inclusions. Look how pretty that is. It's beautiful. And I'm sure you all can't see. Look how pretty that is right there. Look at that. Love it. It's even prettier in person than it was when I saw it on the website. It's beautiful. Look at this part right here. Yep. Set it down here. Whoop. Here. There we go. Okay. Oh, okay. So here is part of the gift set. Oh, it's so pretty. Now, let's look at the citrine here first. Here is the citrine. It's pretty. Oh, I even like that. I love citrine. Love it. There's not many crystals that I don't like though, y'all. So here's the citrine. And the citrine is part of the gift set. Now, I do wish they would have kind of shaved that, cut that bottom off just a little bit so it would sit flat. One of the things that I do with my crystals is if you have one that's uneven like that and they don't sit flat for you, that you can't sit them up very well, is you can take a little bag, some fabric, and put rice in it, sew it together so it looks like a little pillow, and you can sit it however you want on it. So here's the amethyst. Look how pretty that is. How deep those crystals are. They're a nice, pretty, deep color. I have a lot of different, well, a lot of the ones that I have are little bitty of the amethysts. I've had a lot of amethyst in the past, but usually it's that light stuff. You usually get the really light, washed out amethyst. And one of the things with it that you've got to know is you don't want to get your crystals and sit them up in a window where the sun's always bearing down on them, like amethyst. If you do that, the sun will bleach out your crystals and you'll end up with a very pale, colorless stone crystal. It'd still be pretty, but you pay more for deeper color, and then you go and stick them in the sun and you lose it. Okay. But to each their own. That's just tips for anybody that doesn't know. Oh, yes. Here's the other two pieces of this this gift set. Okay. Let's see. I want to sit this down for just a second. Yeah. So here's the quartz crystal. It's a nice crystal. It's got a little baby growing right there on the side of it. I like it. It's good sized. It's a nice crystal right there. Okay. One more. Ooh, this one's pretty. Whoop. Okay. So this one is the Celestite. Celestite. Sorry, y'all. I'm really, really tired, and I've been up way too long. There we go. Get a little dust off of it so it's prettier. Here we go. Look how pretty that is. I was not expecting to get one that pretty. I really like that one. Or this one, I should say. I have a cluster and it's more like this down in here. It's a lot of the smaller little crystals. I like this one because it's got one big crystal coming up there, a bunch of little babies, and then a big one. It's pretty. I like that. Okay. Now, I have a couple more things in here. I'm going to save the biggest one for last. Oh, so this is the set right here. The celestite, the quartz, the amethyst, and the citrine. And just in case you're curious, this little gift set of 4 is only $20. So if you're new to crystals or you're looking for a nice little set to give, this is a nice little set for $20. That's it. 20 bucks. And you have some really pretty stones. I like those. Okay. And they had different ones, different crystals. There was I think either 3 or 4 different little gift sets you could get. Okay. This one is a little agate pot. It looks like a little container where they've sliced it. You get the little pretty crystals inside. And they've got this polished, which is nice. I've had these similar in the past, and this was not polished. They just basically cut it, and that's what you got. But not from this company. I think I've picked a couple of them up in a rock shop before, like that. Look how pretty that is. How sparkly. Yeah, so all of this where they cut is polished. I like it. It's pretty. Let's see if I can. There we go. See? So it just looks like a dirty little rock until you open it up. See what's hidden inside. Okay. Last item. And this is the item that actually got me to order from this company to begin with. I have been looking at this company for quite some time. I have put stuff in my cart, sat on it forever, then it sold. It's been going on for a while, but this is one of the things that I've been looking at for a bit. And right now, they still have the holiday sale going on. They still have some stuff on sale. And some of these clusters is in that sale. So here we go. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. Oh, it's so dark and pretty. Oh. I got me a nice cluster of amethyst. Look how dark that is. It's beautiful. I hope you all can see that and it's not blurry. But on these bigger pieces, and look how big it is. There's my hand, and there's it. It's beautiful. And on these larger pieces like this, they have them cut for you so that you can sit them. That way you can have this sitting on your shelf upright so you can see how pretty it is. It won't be laying down where you can't see it very well. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Love it. Okay. All right, guys. So that is everything I got from KnK Minerals. Like I said, I'll link them down below. So if you are a lover of crystals, check them out. Like I said, I've been debating on whether to order something from them for a while, and things have sat in my cart for a long time. And I finally decided to try them, and it's wonderful. Nothing's broken. Everything's intact. Everything looks good. I'm happy with this purchase. I'm very happy with this purchase. All right, guys. Have a good day.